East Sussex, striking chalk cliffs, long coastal roads and idyllic cottages make the south of England a picture postcard destination. Well outside London, the Mini Cooper S 5-door impresses with its powerful 2-litre twin-power turbo engine with 150 kilowatts, 204 bhp, and 300 newton-meters of maximum torque, thanks to its performance and technical precision, even away from the urban metropolis. The sport's automatic transmission and tuned driving dynamics ensure driving pleasure and full control on the winding country roads of East Sussex, on the way to the famous Brighton Beach. Equipment details of the John Cooper Works trim, such as the characteristic diffusers at the front and rear, the octagonal front grille in high-gloss black and specific wheel variants, refer to the brand's racing DNA and create an unmistakably sporty appearance. The Mini Cooper S 5-door offers passengers more space and comfort. The model is 172mm longer than the Mini 3-door model and has a 72mm larger wheelbase. Thanks to compact external dimensions, short overhangs, and a small turning circle of 11.4 metres, the 5-door model remains a versatile vehicle for the city. Thanks to the increased tyre diameter to 625mm, the Mini Cooper 5-door looks more visually present. At the same time, this improves driving dynamics and driving comfort. The 60/40 folding rear seats allow the volume in the luggage compartment to grow from 275 litres to up to 925 litres, and underline the universal idea of mini. Plenty of space in a small footprint. Efficient gasoline engine for sporty mobility. The Mini Cooper S 5-door model features a 4-cylinder engine with 150 kW 204 bhp, combined fuel consumption 6.8, 6.3 LL 100 km, combined CO2 emissions 152, 141 G per kilometre, in accordance with WLTP, CO2 Class E, producing a maximum torque of 300 Newton-meters. It accelerates to 100 km per h in 6.8 seconds and reaches a top speed of 242 km per h. The increased track width and longer wheelbase, in combination with a precisely tuned suspension and damping system, ensure a high level of comfort and lively handling. Combined with the precise steering feel typical of mini and powerful brakes, this guarantees a high level of comfort in everyday life. Highly pre-stressed stabilizer bearings on the axles ensure balanced body behavior when dynamically cornering and increase steering precision. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest mini news, advice and reviews.